These 1000-volt wire strippers. They come in a nice carrying case that does have retention strips there. These are very insulated handles. They are, which I didn't even know, DVE, I don't know what that even stands for, and GS certified, and 1000 volts. They are spring loaded. They open up here. You have your serrated edge on the top. That's for, maybe bending wire or putting a loop in a wire. You have all your different gauges right there. So you can go from 20 down to 10. Okay, you have your your screw cutters there. And you have a lock there. So these are the cutters. This is what they look like in your hand. I do like the color. They seem nice. They have a little loop here. And let me put them back in the carrying case. The carrying case actually is pretty nice. Like, I thought this was like, this would be a carrying case for like, almost like a Nintendo Switch. I thought this, that's what it kind of reminded me of. But you have your name right there. You have a little strap here, so if it was in your bag, you can get to it. And the case is really nice. It's just really nice to have these things away, especially this is a 1000-volt plier, a stripper. So pretty nice. I'll just give you a closer look up at it here. We'll unlock it. There you go. Wire strippers. Pretty cool.